Most people think being rich means having high net worth, a big house, expensive car, or maybe $1 million portfolio. But here's the truth, net worth is just a number on a paper. It doesn't necessarily mean you have money to spend, and it definitely doesn't mean you're financially free. The real power is cash flow, and if you don't understand the difference, you could be chasing the wrong goal your entire life. Let's break it down. Net worth is everything you own minus everything you. That includes a home, your investment from business, even your car, minus any debt. You could have a net worth of $5 million, but if none of that produces monthly income, you could still be the broke on a day-to-day basis. That's a trap most people fall into. They build assets that look good on paper, but they have to liquidity, no freedom. Now look at cash flow. Cash flow is the money that hits your account every single month. It's income that doesn't depend on you clocking in. It could be rental income, dividends, online sales, royalties, anything that keeps flowing whether you're working or not. This is what pays your bills, fund your lifestyle, and ultimately buys your time back. With enough cash flow, you can live comfortably even your net worth is not massive. That's why so many millionaires go broke trying to look rich, while others quietly build freedom of steady monthly income. Here's the key difference. Net worth is wealth on paper, cash flow is wealth in practice. You can retire on net worth alone unless you sell everything, but with enough cash flow, you don't need to touch your asset. You just live off the income they produce. That's why financially free people focus more on buying cash flow assets, not just appreciating ones. But don't get it twisted. Both matter. Net worth builds legacy, cash flows build freedom. That smarter investor focus on assets that do both. Real estate is perfect example. It increases your net worth over time but also gives you monthly cash flow. A business can do the same. Increase your valuable and give you consistent income. But if you had to choose one, prioritize early on, focus on cash flow because with enough of it, you can fund your life and then use the surplus to grow your net worth. The biggest mistake people make is chasing high net worth status while living paycheck to paycheck. That's not freedom, that's financial stress. Dressed up like success. Real wealth is about how long you can live without working, not just how much you own. So if you want to play the wealth game right, start building income streams. Focus on assets that pay you regularly. Net worth might impress people, but cash flow gives you control. At the end of the day, control over time is the ultimate goal.